Hi everyone, this is Micah from Cali Raised LED. Today I'm going to show you how to install a 22+ Tundra dash accessory mount. In this kit, you're going to get your dash accessory mount plate, the plate that'll actually bolt it to the Tundra, and you're going to need 4 1/4-inch screws that'll be provided. The tools that you're going to need is a number 10 socket. It's very helpful to have an extension with this one, 5/32 Allen head, and a pry tool. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is actually a pretty easy install. Basically, we're going to be removing this plastic piece in here. We can take out the USB charger because we can use that in our dash accessory mount as well. Then there's just 4 bolts that we got to take out, and then we'll put in our mounting plate and then attach the actual accessory mount plate to it. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so now we can grab our mount that's going to attach to the Tundra. This really only goes in one way, but this is the orientation that it'll go. So this part out here will go towards the back. And you can just kind of go and rest it in there for the moment. All right, and then what I like to do is put a little bit of tape on these screws. That way it doesn't fall off of your screwdriver. I've already lost one of these, so I've only got 3 of these left. Hopefully you can avoid losing it like I did. All right. Then we've got these holes kind of in the middle here, allow you to get through it. And we'll get this first one started. Just get that kind of finger tight for the moment. Come back, get our second one. Again, I've already got some tape on this so that it won't fall out. This one's kind of trickier to see, but hopefully you can kind of just feel it in there. Go, got that one. Get our third one. Again, got to add some tape to this one. That over the top. Socket over it. Number 3. May need to switch over to the other side of the vehicle to see this correctly. I was able to just kind of feel my way down into it. All right, now we can get these tightened up the rest of the way. Doesn't need to be super tight. Just get it pretty good. Okay. All right, so like I said, this USB port is actually reusable. We've got a little hole in it in our plate for it. It is kind of annoying to get out of here, but this plastic is pretty malleable. I found the best way is you kind of just put your thumbs back here, just kind of shove it, and the flanges should get out. All right, we got that out. Now we can kind of just put that in there. There we go. Just where we need to grab our cord. Find that. We're going to stick it up through the middle hole in our mount. Easier with 2 hands. I'm just going to do it with 1. And then we will need to get it connected. Okay. All right, we got that installed. Now we just have our 4 bolts. All the PEM nuts should kind of keep it from sliding around, so it should make it pretty easy to find your spot. Start these, tighten down. You're gonna have 4 bolts to install. All right, that concludes our installation of the 22+ Tundra dash accessory mount. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please visit www.caliraisedled.com and order yours today.